Sports coverage of the women's volleyball tournament of UAAP Season 75, where Ateneo has taken a 2-set to none lead against National University, who looks very shocked at this point of the contest.
Alright, 8 attacks, both of them, again, the errors just go straight to that. 6 blocks, even in lamang dun, but the unforced errors, 13-7. Again, service errors was a problem for NU to begin that second set. And alam mo, mahirap kalaban itong Ateneo nang sila may hawak ng lamang going into the home stretch, no? A more experienced team, they have championship experience. Itong NU, a young team, and they get rattled easily pagka ganun na, pag malapit ng matapos yung set at lamang yung kalaban. Sabi nga mo nga, Anton, they need to have a convincing win among or against the higher tier teams such as Ateneo or even LaSalle, ano? Kasi sabi naman natin, kaya naman nila sumabay eh. They have the talent, they have the material. They just need that extra push near the end of the set or the match.
Once again, thank you so much to everybody watching on Studio 23 at sa lahat ng aming mga kababayan na nanonood mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo sa The Filipino Channel. Anton Rojas kasama si Doc Ian Laurel. We have Selena Dagdag and Kat Salaw helping us out at courtside. Phil Cainglet gets another point. And the mere presence of Phil Cainglet on the floor has really helped Ateneo's cause this afternoon.
That's right, Anton. Incidentally, let's greet Phil advance happy birthday on the 30th. That's on Wednesday, January 30. Phil Cainglet, happy birthday.
Minden Santiago showing no signs of letting this game go away though.
Grabe. Huling-huli yung block ni Alisa.
Now NU is in search of a breakthrough win.
No touch from the block there. They had a sense it wrong. Yes, Anton.
As you mentioned, nandun na yung material. They just need to build that character, that winning mentality, that they're no longer the NU team that was always at the bottom of the standings. And that is service error number 12 for NU. That is also a huge problem for the Lady Bulldogs squad. All right, let's go now to Selena Dagdag.
Team Captain Zia Basho encourages her team to stay on their feet and to stay mentally alert. Sabi pa nga ni Z, pag lumipad si Dingding, tulong-tulong lang lahat, pati ang depensa. Dagdag niya pa, huwag na nating pagdikitin ng score. Konting push na lang. Meanwhile, Coach Roger instructs the team to go steady on their defense. As he puts it, pagtsagaan niyo na lang ang block niyo. At pag na-block niyo na ang bola, igihan niyo ang coverage. Huwag kayong maninigas. Anton at Ian.
Thank you, Selena, for that report.
That was the right call by first referee Yul Denos. I didn't touch the hand of the blocker. It just so happened na tumulay yung bola sa net. And it went back.
Valdez did not like the call, so this is her response.
Bawi agad against Dindin. That one is inside.
Ateneo hoping to close this one out, while NU aims to return the favor to Ateneo, because remember, in the first meeting it was NU who led Ateneo 2-0 last December 15.
Ito talagang kailangan ipanalo ng NU this third set, and I think they have to do it convincingly. Mahirapan sila kung di kita na naman ang laban dito sa third. Poor reception there from NU. Poor floor defense.
Server number 2, Elisa Lopez.
5-4, NU on top. But it is the Lady Eagles leading 2-0. Perez sets it up. Aiko Urdas down the line. And you mentioned Phil Cainglet's birthday. Aiko Urdas will also be celebrating her birthday, her 17th birthday, come February 23. So advance happy birthday to the rookie as well. Look at that spin.
Look at the spin. Yeah, she put in the ball.
Michelle Perez.
Bringing it down the line. Better serve from Urdas. Phil with a drop.
Pablo flies in. Ferrer and Ho were there. Shesedanang gets denied by Gretchen Ho.
Great block by Gretchen. Reading that play very well. Single block coverage. Choosing the proper angle. Good play there from Gretchen.
Pablo. Too wide on that hit.
3 points. Anthony.
And you're definitely feeling the pressure here. And that is why during one of the last timeouts of Coach Francis, he told them to try and release that tension. It's very difficult when you have an Ateneo team with a sea of blue right behind them
Now serving.
here inside the arena in San Juan.
Michelle Perez.
The only way to silence this Ateneo crowd is for NU to score emphatically and build up a huge lead. Perez, back set, Nepomuceno. Cross-court hit works for her. And NU heads into this technical timeout on top, 8-6.